So Walker just bought this Dodge truck off Facebook Marketplace. Didn't even look at it. Said it didn't run. So we got ourselves a battery and we're gonna see if it'll kick over.
$700.
How many miles did you say were on it? 230 or something?
591,382.
591. I thought you said it's like 230 on it.
Well,
I guess
a little off.
I guess you couldn't read that day when it was raining. So this thing's almost got 600,000 miles on it.
That's right. Oh, I shut the hood. I didn't even know it opened.
Dash is pretty gone. There you go. 591, 382.
Oh. Yeah.
That's good. You can see it's pretty mossy. How far do you have to go for this thing?
They want to do one thing. That's pretty clean oil. Make sure we don't suck up any rat nests. Oh, come on. Oh, what's that? Well, we need a different battery.
Yeah, apparently that one was lying when it said it had 12 volts on it. Unless this engine has got some resistance in it. What's the battery gauge say? Voltmeter? No. The battery's
Like
dead
8.
because it's dimming the lights when you turn it over.
It's at like 8 volts.
I'm going to use the winch battery because we know that one's good. Yeah, I can hear fuel slosh around in there and it doesn't stink too bad like varnish. If this thing just cranks up, are you gonna find a dash for it?
Maybe.
You gotta be kidding me.
Are you serious, man?
Oh, it's smoking pretty bad. Yeah, it sounds like it's got misfire.
Don't sound terrible.
See if it's got brakes.
Yeah.
Put it in reverse or something.
Still strapped up.
So, let's see if it has a resistance. No, tranny's junk. It's making noise, but it's moving. Oh, that's why. Can't tell if it's got a knock or if it's just something clapping. I don't know, we need to get it off the trailer now and see if we can take it for a ride or something.
That's not too bad. Told it didn't even run.
Lucky son of a gun. Slap.
Well, I'm gonna pull the truck up here and we'll get it on the hook.
Could use a set of shocks. Wow.
Yeah.
You lucky dog. It smokes pretty bad. But I think if you put an oil change in it, throw a set of plugs at it maybe. Dip me in can of wax and lock me up. Walker just got himself a nice little $700 truck again. Might need a tranny, but we gonna drive it to find out. And you gotta clean the junk out of the back. That's the old Carolina special right there. Find out if the transmission's bad or not, actually. Doesn't sound good.
No, it don't. But
Nope.
Granny's worked out.
Granny's pretty bad.
Maybe she just needs
You gonna put a stick shift in it? 5-speed swap.
I have one at the house.
Because there's no gears left now.
Oh yeah. She's got to know how to drive it.
Yeah.
Anti-theft.
park it and for now, and we'll find a transmission for it, I guess. Pretty nice truck though.